OPPO is gearing up to launch the Find X8 series in October of this year. OPPO Find X8 may be equipped with the Dimensity 9400 chipset. The X8 Ultra, which may feature the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 Find X8 series, may debut in the first quarter of 2025. A new leak, courtesy of Tipster Digital Chat Station, sheds light on the camera setup of the Ultra variant. Popular Tipster Digital Chat Station, in a Weibo post, claimed that the OPPO Find X8 Ultra will sport 450-megapixel cameras like the Find X7 Ultra, two of which will be periscope telephoto units. While DCS didn't mention what sensors OPPO will use for the Find X8 Ultra, DCS claimed the OPPO Find X8 Ultra is expected to exceed the 200-megapixel periscope telephoto's capabilities, meaning it could outperform the Vivo X100 Ultra's 200-megapixel periscope telephoto camera in terms of zooming. The device is likely to face competition from phones like the Galaxy S25 Ultra, Xiaomi 15 Ultra, Honor Magic 7 Ultimate, and Vivo X200 Ultra. OPPO Find X8 Ultra to feature the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset. Its CPU's performance cores are expected to reach 4.2 GHz. We recently heard that the OPPO Find X8 will pack a 6000 mAh battery. We'll have to wait for more information about the OPPO Find X8 Ultra. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.